You can go, sir.
Okay, thank you.
This one likes to go faster.
Again, this is one which isn't super stable, which means you do kind of have to brake the corners. Although you hear that noise, I think that's the speed limiter. Try and get some airtime here. Ooh. Oh. Ease off a little bit. I think that ticking sound is like a kind of speed limiter. To stop you going insanely fast, like over this jump. Woo!